Hey there, my name is Asbestos, and as you can see out here, it's rained quite a bit, and I'm gonna go make a run for my van. I've already unlocked it, so should be good to run. Oh shit, there's puddles. Holy fuck, I just ran through a crazy puddle. That's unfortunate. Oh shit. I left my rain jacket in my van. So, there it is. That's too bad that I left it in there. Could have used it. Now my phone's wet. I didn't think that went through 100%. Anyways, thank you very much for watching.